So you know how that goes. Anyway, I got this little Toro Dingo, 3-foot wide walk behind skid steer to bulk out all this grass, get it out of their backyard. It's the only machine I get to fit through the gate. And this yard's pretty tight, and this is about all I could do to get this stuff moved. Get this little utility trailer. So I got a product here from Harbor Freight. It's their truck bed cargo unloader, except for clearly I'm not using it in the truck bed. I've got it over here on my utility trailer. And you can see it's some sort of, anyway, I'll give you a demo here. It works pretty well. Surprised. I watched a bunch of the videos on YouTube about it. It seemed like everybody was struggling. So anyway, see if I can get the shadow here, get it out. Anyway, let's check this out. Let's see how this works. This is a pretty big load here. Hopefully that works. Something happened with my camera. I think I dropped it. But anyway, you guys get the idea. So that side fell off. When you're using it on the trailer like this, you don't have the same strapping ability. Like, it's designed to kind of tie down on the tailgate, but I feel like that's just a minor problem. So works pretty well, actually. Pretty big pile of dirt and grass. So anyway, we'll get back at it. Okay, as you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll have 9. Maybe it's 8.5. This isn't the biggest load. 9 loads of grass and dirt coming out of this backyard over here. And I've been using this Harbor Freight cargo unloader, truck bed cargo unloader, and it's working out now. At this point, you guys seen the first little bit where I stress tested the thing, and there's a couple little hang-ups here with the utility trailer setup, because that thing is designed to hang off of your tailgate. It's kind of corny. Your tailgate sits up about that high, so it's a foot or so lower than what it typically would be hanging on a tailgate. So you got the old knuckle dragger situation when you start turning it. And that's the other thing I've noticed is this high quality Chinesium alloy tube is just bent to shit already. So that's one downfall, but one hand. There you go, folks. There you have it. Spilling it out. I hope you could all see that. That was quite the little show there. So, let me show you what I do here to get set up for the next load. Take your handle off. set it on the wheel well, the fender well. I'm going to take my concrete placer rake here, and I reach in the back and nibble on those crowns. So, I'm just going to say that thing says it's got a 2-ton capacity. No, 1 ton, sorry. 2,000 pounds. And it's pretty stout. It definitely struggles if you're pulling 2,000 pounds. And it probably would help if you had, like, let's say, like one of those poly bed liner inserts. Spray-on bed liner probably wouldn't work because of its texture. But we're just going to leave this stuff here. Anyway, I give it an 8 out of 10, right?
Yeah, it is.
We got a clearance issue here. We got the old knuckle dragger. When we get this cranking around, it sort of hits the ground, so, but we'll get it going. I'm going to set this camera up over here so you can see.